What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of Tricky Solution. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your WhatsApp with your PC, or how you can connect your WhatsApp app with your PC app. And very first process, you have to download WhatsApp PC version. Just write your WhatsApp PC. Just download the first one and just download for the Windows. After downloading, you will get such kind of interface like this one. What you have to do, you have to take your phone and you have to scan the barcode here. Okay, what you have to do, you have to go your WhatsApp app, then you have to go setting, then here you can see your profile, and here you can see the scanner, and here you tap on a scanner. Then you have to scan this one and tap on continue, link the device, and here you can see it's already connected with your PC. And I hope you guys got the solution, and you can access, or you can text here anyone, whoever you want to. And I hope you guys got the solution. If you guys like my video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you.